Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be unboxing and review the KFLOW Reverse Osmosis Water Purifier. In the box, you'll get a RO tankless water filtration system, a user manual, some accessories, 2 water tubes, a power adapter, and RO faucet. Five-stage water filter consists of 3 upgraded composite cartridges, including PCP, RO, CF. PCP filter is constituted of 2 sediment PP membranes, and 1 activated carbon block, removing sediment, rust, and scale. Reverse osmosis filter blocks more than 1,000 contaminants, including chlorides, lead, heavy metal, mercury, and so on. CF filter can improve the taste and smell. Easy to install. Press circle and then pull out the tube. We cut the tube into 2 parts. To get 2 tubes, one for the filtered water and the other for wastewater. Choose a spot on the drain pipe that is convenient for installing the drain saddle and drill a hole. Insert the tubing into the drilled hole. Shut off the cold water supply, then remove the existing water hose. Real-time display shows the remaining life of cartridges. Not only avoiding the waste caused by premature cartridge replacement but also excessive use to ensure water safety. Please flush water for about 30 minutes and dump this water away.